Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making for you a special drink, kind of like a power punch to pack in some energy in your body. All right, now from the look of these ingredients, maybe some of you already know what it is. You know what time it is. You know what this is called back home in Jamaica on the rock. Here are our ingredients. We'll be using a Guinness, condensed milk for sweetening, the nutmeg for spice, and the raw peanuts. Vanilla also is another spice, Supligen, and some oats. That's what we're making up for you today, a power punch. Jamaican power punch, aka what? Tell me in the comments if you know what this is called back home in Jamaica. Okay guys, here we go now, combining everything to make you that lovely drink. Here we go, that's the Guinness, all famous Guinness, using just a bottle of that. Awesome. Next in, we're using a cup of oats. Showed your oats before. That's the oats we're using, guys. So we're just using a cup of it. Next in, our peanut. We're using a cup of the peanuts as well. Fabulous. We're using a can of Supligen. Some persons can actually use Irish moss. You can also substitute that if you don't have the Supligen. Just wanna pop that open. There we go. Wow. This is the peanut punch. An energy punch we're making for you here. Peanut punch, or another name we call it in Jamaica when you have all these ingredients all combined. Next in is our condensed milk for sweetening. All right, guys. Now it's time for vanilla, using just about a teaspoon of this. Good. Okay, now we're adding in our nutmeg. Just want to grate this in. Great. It's just about, I won't measure this one. I'll just say we're putting in the nutmeg. That's enough. Yes, just put in, maybe it can equal to about a half a teaspoon or so. Fabulous. Wow, they're smelling really nice, guys. Nutmeg, there just is something about this smell of nutmeg. I love to smell it. Add this nice flavor to whatever it is that you're mixing up, you know. Now it's time to just cover and blend, guys. Blend until smooth. Ensure this cover is tightly fastened. Now here we go. When the blend is really smooth. Alright guys, let's see how smooth this is. You want it all smooth. Wow, that's smooth. That is smooth. That is smooth enough. We're going on. Feeling energized just smelling this, guys. Just the smell of it and I'm feeling energized. As you know, peanut is packed with energy and nutrients. Now guys, this peanut punch is something that you want to serve really cold over ice. Lots of ice. There you go. Now guys, this is your traditional Jamaican peanut punch, aka tell me in the comments what you know this drink to be, what you call it in your neck of the woods. Okay guys, now if you liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you.